We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome package, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.